Man, don't you just hate emergency meetings? I know, worst invention ever. Like seriously, why are they even a thing? Gentlemen, settle down. Okay, so thank you all for attending today's emergency board of directors meeting. Just thank you for attending today. First of all, what do we think of my hair? It's feeling a little long in the back too. I think it looks great. You're in your prime. Anyway, on to more important things. So recently I discovered a shocking piece of information. As you can see here, 51.1% of our viewers are actually subscribed, which if you can't do that in your head means 49.9% are not subscribed. What ideas do you guys have to overcome this growing problem among society? Well, has anyone actually told people how to subscribe? Like, do people actually know how? So maybe we just make a video telling people how. Yeah, let's go with that. So first of all, you're going to need an electronic, but not that. Next, you need a Google account. And internet. That is literally it. Now that you have the essentials, we can hop over to YouTube by searching YouTube. So it just dawned on me. This video is posted on YouTube, which means you're watching it on YouTube, which also means that step 2 doesn't even need to happen and we can move on to step. So we're here on YouTube. As you can see, I'm logged in as Jeff. So we're just gonna search Luke Muirhead. Look at me, come up right away. There I am right there. You're just gonna click on my profile. And then yeah, video starts playing. You can just pause it if you want. Then just hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and then you can just watch all my videos and go crazy.